Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup of your data on OPPO Find X9. Okay, let's open up our settings. Now scroll down until you find System and Update and Backup and Reset. Let's begin with the Backup and Migrate first. So let's tap on that. And in here, don't look at CloneFone because I don't know why it doesn't want to work properly, because if you click on that, you can see that we can select that this is the old device and we should be able to send the data from this device into another. But when I'm downloading CloneFone on any other device that I have, the only option that I have is to send the data, not receive it on my second device, of course. So it won't work in that case, but don't worry, we have other methods. Let's go with the local backup first. Simply tap on that and click on New Backup. Okay, in here you can select what things you want to backup. In my case, I want everything from that list except apps. If you have selected everything, click on Start. The process will start. In my case, it won't take long because I didn't select apps. Alright, 99%. Of course, it lagged on that value, but it should be done at any second. Alright, backup completed. Click on Done. But remember that it's the local backup. So for example, if you reset your device, you will also lose your backup. In here, we also have a recommendation that we should copy our files into PC or a USB flash drive to prevent data loss. Now I will launch my PC and I'll show you how to copy that backup into your PC. So give me a second and I'll see you on my desktop. Okay, to copy the backup from your phone into your PC or laptop, we need to connect our phone using USB-C cable into our computer. Okay, now open up your file explorer and find your OPPO. Okay, now on your phone, click on open up the notification bar, click on charging this device via USB, tap and select file transfer / Android Auto. Okay, let's open up the Explorer once again. Our OPPO. Okay, select internal shared storage. Click on Android. Click on the data. In here, find Backup Restore, this folder. Click on Backup. Click on Data. And here we have the folder. That's our backup. On my desktop, I have created a new folder. I have called it, I named it OPPO Backup. Now simply drag this folder into your PC. Okay, it will start copying in a second. So let's wait a little. It should start at any second. Okay, everything is being copied. Okay, now everything is in our folder, so the backup is now stored safely on our PC. Okay, that was the first method. Now I will get back to you and I'll show you the second method. Okay, for this method, we don't need a PC or anything like that. Simply get back into Backup and Reset, and for this method we are going to use our Google account to create a backup. So click on Google account. Now down below we have the backup details. First click on Photos and Videos and make sure that they are enabled. Then click on Other Device Data and also make sure that it's enabled. Down below we can see our Google account that we are currently logged into. And on that account our backup will be saved and stored. So for example, if you want to restart our backup later in the future, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account that you can see on your screen. Okay, now to create a backup, hit this green button. The process will start. Okay, in here a small circle appeared, and as you take a look, it's slowly fulfilling. When it disappears, this icon, it means that everything went successfully. So I'll see you in a second. Okay, everything has been successfully created. Under other device data sentence, we can see that 1 minute ago it has stopped, everything went fine. That's like a confirmation for us that everything has been successfully saved. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.